Hey everybody, it's Peter Green from Agile for All. Today's Thursday, that means it's time to build the right thing. Today, I want to talk about an idea from Charles Duhigg. Charles Duhigg, the author of the book The Power of Habit. Fantastic book on the psychology behind habits, what it takes to make a habit, to change a habit. Really good book, and one of my favorite concepts from the book was something he calls a keystone habit. So a keystone habit is a small change, a small habit you can make that has a positive domino effect in other areas of your life. For example, exercising regularly is often cited as a keystone habit. If you can develop that habit, it has lots of positive effects in other areas of your life. Other common ones are getting more sleep more consistently. Even something as simple as making your bed the very first thing you do when you get out of bed. Tends to have this positive chain effect, ripple effect in other areas of your life. So Duhigg talks a lot about this idea of a keystone habit. In my experience, the keystone habit for effective Agile teams is the ability to do small slices of value. So there are lots of benefits to this and reasons why I think it has this impact. When we do small slices of value, when we're able to build and deliver small slices of value, that means obviously we get the potential to deliver that value to our customers sooner. But a whole bunch of other things happen as well. Number one, we get the opportunity to have feedback sooner and learning sooner. More opportunities to course correct because we have like a finer grain path that we're using to deliver value. It's also easier to get through the entire value stream, so we can get through a value stream quicker. For all the different steps that we have to take often to deliver value, we get through that faster, which means that, again, that's a feedback loop faster, but it's also, it helps us to see the process more clearly that we use to get work done. It's easier to estimate or to forecast smaller things. And one of my favorite reasons why I think that smaller slices of value turn out to be a keystone habit for effective Agile teams is that Teresa Amabile, in her book, The Progress Principle, found in her research that getting something small done every day that matters to someone is the number one factor in higher motivation at work. So these are all reasons why you might want to look at smaller slices. If you're interested in learning more about that, our story splitting cheat sheet on agileforall.com is one of our most widely downloaded resources. It's free. You can also check out our 80/20 product owner course, an online course that helps you learn how to make these smaller slices as a product owner so that your team can develop this keystone habit of small slices. Hope that's helpful for you. If you're enjoying this content, encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. If this one in particular was useful to you, please like the video and share it with your friends. Hope to hear from you in the comments what you found to be some of the keystone habits for your effective teams. Thanks everybody. Have a great Thursday.